To install the processor and memory expansion tray, ensure that the tray handle is in the vertical position. Align the left and right posts on the sides of the expansion tray with the corresponding mounting slots in the chassis. Then lower the tray straight down into the chassis mounts. Rotate and lower the expansion tray handle toward the rear of the server to secure the tray. Reconnect power supply number 2. To install the PCIe expansion tray, make sure the 4 posts on the sides are inserted into the alignment slots on the chassis. Slightly press on the PCIe expansion tray into the server until all the nail heads on the side of the rear of the tray seat into the slots on the top of the chassis. Rotate the handle down. Make sure the PCIe expansion tray is fully seated into the server. Install the 4U PCIe riser assemblies and fillers. Install the top cover.